Need to file your taxes, claim a refund or manage your business VAT? You'll likely need something called a Government Gateway account. Although the platform was officially retired in 2019, it remains essential for accessing most HMRC services. Here's everything you need to know to get you started and stay on top of your tax responsibilities. Hello there and welcome back. In today's video, we're unpacking the Government Gateway. What is it, why it still matters, and how can you use it to manage everything from self-assessment to VAT. We'll guide you through registering, recovering your login details and adding tax services. Plus, we'll take a look at the new gov.uk One login system that's gradually replacing the old setup and, of course, what that means for you. Whether you're running a business or managing your personal taxes, this is your go-to guide for staying on top of it all. Officially launched to help users log into the UK government services, the Government Gateway system was officially decommissioned in 2019. But here's the kicker, it's still the main way to access HMRC's core services like self-assessment, VAT, PAYE and of course corporation tax. Now if you're logging into your personal tax account or running a limited company, you'll still need a 12-digit Government Gateway, user ID and password. There are three types of Government Gateway account. Individuals, to access your personal tax account, view tax-free allowances and manage tasks like self-assessment for the current tax year. Businesses, to handle VAT, corporation tax or check details on a business tax account, depending on the type of account you have. Tax agents, to efficiently manage multiple clients' tax affairs across HMRC's digital services. So setting up your Government Gateway account is straightforward, but the steps vary slightly depending on whether you're creating a personal or business tax account. Both begin at the same HMRC sign-in portal, but the details you provide and the services that you'll access are tailored to your account type. To get started, go to the HMRC login page and click Create Sign-in Details. Enter your email address, verify it and create a password as well. You'll receive a 12-digit Government Gateway user ID on screen and of course via email. Next, you'll choose whether the account is for yourself, a business or if you're acting as a tax agent. For a personal account, you'll need your name, national insurance number and the date of birth. For a business account, it's slightly different. You'll provide your company name, company's house registration number, that's your CRN, and your unique taxpayer reference number, your UTR. In case you've lost your Government Gateway ID, you can easily recover it in one of the following ways. Search your emails. When you set up a Government Gateway account, your user ID was sent to that email address associated with your account. Search your email inbox and any folders including spam box etc. using the keyword Government Gateway user ID. If you haven't deleted the confirmation email, you'll find your user ID in there. Use HMRC's problem signing in page. If you can't find your Gateway user ID or password, visit HMRC's problem signing in page. Click on Recover Your User ID and follow the prompts. Click on Reset Your Password to be able to reset your password. Enter the email address associated with your account and your user ID will be sent to you. If you've forgotten the email address linked to your account, the service allows you to recover or update it. Call the HMRC helpline. However, if you can't remember the email address linked to your Government Gateway account, you'll need to call HMRC directly to confirm your identity. The specific helpline you can contact will depend on the service that you're trying to access. Not sure which number to call? Please refer to the description below where you'll find a link to our full Government Gateway guide, which contains all the relevant HMRC contact details as well. The UK government is rolling out gov.uk One Login, a new centralised system designed to streamline access to public services. Instead of juggling separate accounts for HMRC, Companies House and other agencies, you'll soon use a single set of login credentials for everything. This new platform allows you to sign in once, verify your identity through gov.uk ID Check app and access a growing list of government services, all from one secure place. HMRC began transitioning to One Login in 2024 and Companies House is set to follow shortly. Although the Government Gateway remains operational for now, it will eventually be phased out. If you're setting up a new account or accessing certain services for the first time, you'll likely be directed straight to gov.uk One Login. So that's it for today on the Government Gateway and the up-and-coming shift to gov.uk One Login. Whether you're setting up a personal tax account, registering for VAT, or recovering lost login password details, we hope this video gave you clarity and confidence to manage it all with ease. If you found this helpful, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward business and tax guides. You'll find a full article and helpful links, including HMRC contact numbers, in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.